Hi, this is Adela Shnake, your workflow automation specialist. What you're looking at here is an automated customer feedback analysis system that was built for a client. So, the client wanted the LLM, the AI, to go into Google Sheets containing customer feedback, analyze them, the feedback, and then the system should update the Google Sheet with the analysis. I'll show you a sample right here. So this is a sample of the analysis. It's going to analyze the feedback. This is the feedback, and it's going to take each one and analyze the sentiments, highlight the key issues, and also suggest action that the customer service team uh, should take. So the this is Google Gemini AI Flash 2.0. It goes into the Google Sheets one after the other because the clients didn't want bulk analysis. Picks the next one that is yet to be analyzed, analyzes it, and the system then updates the Google Sheets with the analysis. So right here, we can see that my chain. Please do note that these are not real customer names. My chain, for example, the feedback is yet to be analyzed. So I'm going to go back in here and run this one more time. And it's done. We're going to go back into the sheets and it has analyzed my Chen's feedback. The sentiment is negative, and the key issues that Google Gemini AI was able to pick is that the app Mike Chen used, um, it crashed, and the LLM suggested an action to be taken, and gave a summary of the analysis. So if you want a simple system like this, or even a more complicated one, or more sophisticated one, depending on your team needs or your business needs, um, do send me a DM, or send me an invite. Once again, my name is Adiola Oshinake, and I am your workflow automation specialist. Bye.